So over here you can see that I have a footers, and let's say what I want to do is I want to apply the zoom blur effect to it. So in that case, I can go around under effects right here, and let me just go around under Newblue's art effect right here, and you can see that zoom blur is in effect right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out under the zoom blur, then this is what you have. As you can see, you get the zoom blur effect right here. You can go around and change around the zoom level over here, as you can see, and change around the blur, and then change around the bend over here for the blur as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. Press the play button right here, and then you can see that this is the zoom blur. You can go around and change around the bend over here as well, and that is what you have, as you can see right here. So now, apart from this, you can also go around and apply out Newblue Cartoonr Plus effect. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and then let me just go around onto Newblue Cartoonr effect, and you only have that particular effect, as you can see. Let me just go around and click and drag it out under the footers, and you can see that you get more like a cartoon look right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go around over here on the beginning, this is what you have, as you can see. So now if I were to go around under lines, let's say for example, you can change around the density right here, the cleanup, the width, as you can see, and then change around different options as you want, and the changes like reflect out accordingly right here. You can change around the shading right here, you can change around the contrast over here as well, you can change around the bend over here just like this as well, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So you got the Newblue's Cartoonr Plus effect right here just like this. So that is how you can apply out the zoom blur and Newblue Cartoonr Plus effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.